to our channel where we explore the exciting world of Python programming. In today's video, we have something special for all the beginners out there. We'll be sharing 10 mind-blowing Python projects that are perfect for beginners to enhance their skills and have fun while coding. And in the coming video lectures, we will also share the code for these projects. So let's dive right in. So the first project our first project is a weather app. Imagine being able to fetch real-time weather data and display it on your own application. We'll use Python and an API to retrieve weather information for a specific location. This project will help you understand working with APIs and passing JSON data as well. Next project we have is a hangman game. Who doesn't love a classic game of hangman, right? So, in this project, we are going to build a text based version of hangman where players guess letters to reveal a hidden word. And we'll also cover topics like random number generation, string manipulation, and loops. It's an excellent way to practice your coding logic and have fun at the same time. Another project we have is image manipulation. And in this project, we'll explore the world of manipulation using Python. We'll learn how to resize, crop, apply filters, and even add text overlays to images. You'll be amazed at the creative possibilities that Python offers when it comes to working with images. Another project we have is password generator. Now, security is vital and creating strong passwords is crucial. We'll develop a password generator that generates secure passwords based on user defined criteria. This project will introduce you to string manipulation, randomization, and user input handling. Next project we have is dice rolling simulator. Let's bring some randomness into our Python projects with a dice rolling simulator. We'll create a virtual dice that generates random numbers, mimicking the roll of a physical dice. And it's a great opportunity to learn about random number generation and basic graphical representation as well. Another project we have is to-do list manager. Now, staying organized is essential, and a to do list manager can be a lifesaver. We'll build a command line or GUI based to do list manager using Python. So, in this project, you'll learn about data structures, file handling, and user interaction. Stay productive and keep track of your tasks with this project. The next one is web scraper. Have you ever wanted to extract data from websites? With Python's web scraping capabilities, we can build a web scraper that retrieves information like headlines, product details, or even stock prices. So we'll explore different libraries like, Beautiful Soup or Scrapy to make this project a reality. Another project we have is Currency Converter. This project involves creating a currency converter, obviously, and will fetch real time exchange rates from an API and allow users to convert between different currencies. You'll also gain experience with API integration, JSON handling, and basic user interfaces. This one this project is sentiment analysis, and sentiment analysis is a fascinating field in natural language processing (NLP), not neuro-linguistic. I'm talking about natural language processing. In this project, we'll build a sentiment analysis program that can analyze text and determine whether the sentiment is positive, negative, or neutral. So you will discover the power of Python in understanding human emotions through text. Very fascinating. And the last but not least, let's create a simple music player using Python. We'll build a program that can play audio files, create playlists, and offer basic playback controls. Get ready to enjoy your favorite tunes while exploring Python's capabilities. And that's a wrap. We've covered 10 mind blowing Python projects for beginners. Each project will enhance your coding skills and provide a solid foundation for your Python journey. In the coming lectures, we'll be working on these projects one by one. So stay tuned. And if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. These projects are also great ideas if you have an assignment or if you are working in a team project. These projects are a great way to start. And these will also help you understand various aspects of Python and its capabilities. Python is the future. It can be used for different reasons. It can be used with different domains. So these are some of the projects, and yeah, get ready to work on your favorite one and also enhance your coding skills.